Get fastest update on tech by tapping on subscribe and bell.
Hello everyone, we welcome you on OS Tech OS, your own technical channel. Today we are going to see Xgimi Elfin Smart Projector launched in India. See features and prices here, and what we are going to see in this projector. This is a smart projector goes official from Xgimi Elfin. This 4K smart projector comes with a less than 1 kilogram of weight. Some of its smart feature are is it comes with the ISA technology, and it comes with auto positioning, which is a very rare function in a smart projector in India. ISA screen adoption is a technology which autocorrects the saturations of images and correct. This Xigmi Fin projector comes with Android TV 10 OS and 5000 apps pre-enabled in this console can achieve some of its goodness by having must-watch content from all the major streaming apps. This projector have a game boost feature which have the low latency, and it can convert each scene to come alive, and by having this we can learn more and more about how it works for 60 Hz refresh rate. As per company officials, we are here with the official confirmation of price. The price of this Xigmi Elfin smart projector will be 79999 in India, and this is a too costly, but the feature justifies this. Main feature to this projection is a 30,000 hours playback and a 200-inch screen projection.